The video you're watching was created using Nano Banana Pro and Google Veo 3.1.
System failure.
This can't be happening! Think! I need help! Somebody help!
Come on. Let's end this once and for all.
When you click the link in the description, it will take you to the official website. Once you're there, click on Get Started for free to download the software. This is what the main interface of Filmora looks like. At the top, you'll see the aspect ratio option. I'll be using 16:9, but you can also choose 9:16. If you click on More, you can explore additional aspect ratios depending on your project. You'll notice several AI features here, and if you click on the three dots, you can view even more powerful AI tools depending on what you're working on. For today's tutorial, click on Project on the side panel, then select New Project to begin. Your interface should look like this. Click on Stock Media at the top, then select AI Media, and scroll down to find AI Image. Now choose the model you want. There are currently 3 models available, but I prefer Nano Banana Pro. You'll see the reference image section and the prompt box. I've already generated a complete reference sheet for this project, and this is what mine looks like. The reference sheet helps maintain visual consistency across all the images we generate. Click here to upload your reference image. In the prompt box, type or paste your detailed image prompt describing exactly what you want the AI to create. Scroll down and select your preferred resolution. For higher quality, you can choose 2160p, but I prefer 1080p. For the aspect ratio, I'll stick with 16:9, but feel free to choose what suits your project. Click the small AI icon, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Generate and give it some time to process. As you can see, the result is ready. You can like it or dislike it to give quick feedback. Click on the image to preview it, and if you want to see it in full detail, click here to expand it. To download the image, click on the download icon or use the snapshot option to capture it. The snapshot feature allows you to choose the format, whether JPG or PNG. You can also click on Change to select where you want the image saved, then click OK when you're done. Now let's generate the next image. Click Stock Media again, then select AI Image, enter your second prompt, and don't forget to upload your reference image. It's very important, although not compulsory. Then click Generate when you're done. While it's generating, you can start preparing your next prompt, but I personally prefer to review each result first to make sure it meets my expectations before moving forward. Here is the result of the second image. If it's not exactly what you want, simply reuse the same prompt to regenerate it. To save time, I'll quickly generate all the required images so we can move on to video creation. To start generating your videos, click on Image to Video on the side panel. Once again, choose your preferred model. For this tutorial, I'll use Google Veo 3.1. Click here to upload the image you want to turn into a video. From the preview window, you can adjust the image size if necessary, but I'll leave mine as it is. You can also change the aspect ratio if needed, then click Submit to continue. Enter your video prompt here, then click Generate. As you can see, the video generation has started. Just give it some time to complete. If the video finishes generating and you don't see it immediately, go to the top panel and click Task List. You'll find all your generated files there. Just select the one you need. Let's preview the result. To add it to your timeline, click the plus button on the video and choose either Match to Media or Keep Project Settings. For this tutorial, I'll select the first option and it will automatically appear on the timeline. Click Image to Video again to generate the next scene, upload your image, and enter your prompt. Earlier, I didn't mention that if you scroll down during video generation, you'll see the option to select the resolution. Personally, I prefer 720p because it provides good quality while generating faster and using fewer resources. Sometimes you don't need a long duration for a scene, so for this one, I'll select 4 seconds, keep the aspect ratio as it is, then click Generate. If you check the task list and see that the generation failed, simply go back, adjust your prompt or settings slightly, and try again. And there you go. The video has been successfully generated. If you're satisfied with the result, drag it onto the timeline and always preview your clips to ensure they meet your expectations. For the scene where he runs and enters the car, I'll select Start and End Frame to Video. Choose the exact frame where he begins running as the start frame, select the end frame, enter my prompt, then click Generate. After generating all the scenes, click on Media at the top left corner and drag each video clip onto the timeline in the correct order to begin editing. There are many ways to enhance your video. For example, you can add transitions. Browse through the available options, select the one you like, and drag it between clips to create smoother scene changes and make your video more dynamic. If a scene isn't colorful enough, select it, then go to the right panel and click on Color. There are multiple presets available. Hover over them to preview the effect and choose the one that fits your style. You can also manually adjust the color sliders until the look matches your vision. Scroll down and click Save as Custom to store your color settings for future use, or click here to reset everything back to default. Another useful feature is under the Video tab. If the quality looks a bit low, enable Standard AI Enhance mode to improve sharpness and overall clarity. There are many other tools available here to refine your project, and once you're satisfied, click Generate. When you're done with your entire project, click Export at the top right. Filmora offers several export options, as you can see here. Choose where you want to save your file. You can also adjust the resolution and quality settings here. Select your preferred format. I'll go with MP4. You can enable Auto Highlight to automatically create a 60-second short for YouTube, TikTok, or other social media. The Auto Reframe feature helps automatically adjust your video to fit different aspect ratios while keeping the main subject centered. Once everything is set, click Export. And that's how you can create AI-generated images, turn them into cinematic videos, edit them professionally, and export everything seamlessly inside Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI content creation guides. I'll also leave useful links in the description so you can get started right away. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next, and if you try this workflow, I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Let's end this once and for all.